Welcome to Mind Minute. The human body is an absolute marvel, working around the clock to keep you alive, strong, and healthy. Here are 5 amazing facts about what your body can do. Number 1, your body constantly regenerates. Every 7 to 10 years, almost all your cells are replaced. Your skin renews every 27 days, and your liver can regrow. Number 2, your brain can rewire itself. Thanks to neuroplasticity, your brain forms new connections, helping you learn, adapt, and recover throughout life. Number 3, your heart beats over 100,000 times a day, pumping 2,000 gallons of blood to keep your body running even while you sleep. Number 4, your bones are stronger than steel. Ounce for ounce, your femur can support up to 30 times your body weight. Number 5, your immune system remembers every germ you've ever fought. It stores memory cells that recognize viruses, helping you fight infections faster. Your body is an incredible machine, constantly working to help keep you healthy and alive. Thanks for learning. Thank you for growing your mind with Mind Minute. Please like and subscribe below.